Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick little video showing off some of the Polaroid Snap's really awesome features. Again, this shoots video. A lot of people don't know that, but I want to make it clear if you're interested in the Polaroid Snap Touch, not only is it an instant camera, but it's also a video camera. So again, that's just a really cool feature of this touchscreen instant camera. So I took some photos because it's also a really good digital camera. A couple of these photos took 2 or 3 times just to kind of get the shot that I was looking for, and I found that some of them were better with flash versus without flash. But overall, I'm really happy with how these turned out, and it's just a quick little sort of tribute to the Polaroid Snap Touch and how cool it is. I know a lot of you are getting this time of year, and if you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know. But while you're here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification button because I make a ton of Polaroid Snap videos. You don't want to miss those. And check out the link in the description for a great price on one of these. But this is definitely the camera that I recommend this year for everybody's wish list. So without further ado, here are some pictures and video taken exclusively on the Polaroid Snap Touch.